Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to my YouTube channel, Clear Skin and Wellbeing. So I thought today I would just go through a little bit of retinol with you and just show you the products that I actually first started on. And this product is from Garden of Wisdom and it's Gow, and I buy it from Victoria Health. It's a Granactive Retinoid in 5% serum. I do believe because it's actually is in an oil base serum that it actually works out at 0.5. But actually, if you do have sensitive skin or if you're just beginning on your retinol journey, I think it's the perfect one to start off with. Now, retinol is a great collagen builder. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and it also sloughs away those dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. One word of warning, because of that, make sure you always use an SPF, at least a 40, as it is quite light sensitive. I tend to use retinol in the evening. I think that's probably the best time, but you can use it in the morning, but I would say the evening's better. Now with the Scowl, it is in a 30ml bottle and it costs in England I think it's about £14. You can also buy it in America, as it's an American company who actually produces it, and I'm not sure on the prices on there, you would have to check. It comes in a PET bottle, which you can also recycle. It doesn't contain any silicone, alcohol, and it's also suitable for vegetarians, so I think it's great. So how I would use it, I haven't got any makeup on at the moment, so I'll just show you, is just a couple of drops in the evening. Oh, there we go. And then I would just pat it onto the face. You would ideally wash your face first, let it dry for a few minutes, and then apply the retinol. Because it's quite a low grade, if you like, I would actually just put a small amount on the neck. And I would do this probably to start off with just 2 or 3 times a week. Retinol can be quite drying at first if you do have sensitive skin, and can make it slightly dry and sensitive, but hopefully you should be fine as it's quite a low sort of dosage, if you like. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next. Please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye.